What if I told you that Samsung's next foldables are thinner, smarter, and maybe even cheaper? That's right. Massive leaks have revealed almost everything about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. From a dramatic new design to a surprising pricing twist, this might just be Samsung's boldest move yet. Let's get into the details. Let's begin with the big one, literally. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be Samsung's slimmest foldable yet. According to dummy unit leaks, thickness when unfolded, just 4.5 millimeters. Thickness when folded, only 9 millimeters. That's a huge drop from Fold 6's 5.6 and 12.1 millimeters, making the Fold 7 sleeker than most flagship slabs, even with two screens. The inner display is getting a bump too. Now a larger 8.2-inch AMOLED panel with adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and higher peak brightness, ideal for gaming, multitasking, or just binge-watching Netflix. Now here's a welcomed upgrade. Samsung is ditching the blurry under-display camera and going with a crisp punch-hole selfie cam. Finally, clearer video calls. Under the hood, we're expecting Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Elite variant. 12 GB or possibly 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, storage options up to 1 TB, a slightly larger 4,800 mAh battery, and a refined hinge mechanism that's stronger but thinner. Blue Shadow Jet Black Silver Mist. Samsung is planning to unveil it at their Unpacked event on July 9th with a clear message: Ultra unfolds. Now let's talk about the phone that flips the game, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And the big surprise: price. Leaks suggest that Samsung is lowering the price for the Flip 7 in some regions, by as much as €100 in Europe. So the 256GB model could launch at €1,099, compared to Flip 6's €1,199 price tag. That's huge in today's market. But that's not all. There's also a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, rumored to launch alongside it. Targeting a younger or budget-conscious audience, the Flip 7 FE may include 8GB RAM, 128, 256GB storage. Possibly a slightly lower-tier chip, like Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. As for the standard Flip 7, we're expecting refined clamshell design, larger outer display, thinner bezels, better crease control, a battery that might finally cross 4,000 mAh. Samsung's clearly trying to push foldables to the mainstream, and Flip 7 could be the entry point. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be the most powerful, premium, and shockingly thin foldable we've seen yet. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is becoming more accessible, stylish, and maybe even affordable, especially with the rumored Fan Edition. Samsung is going all in. Ultra specs for power users, value options for everyone else. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one excites you more? Are you holding out for the Fold, or flipping over the Flip? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real-time tech leaks.